light rain with this is RainX in light rain. You can see it sheeting off the window. It's pretty wild to look at. You don't have the flip-flop of the windshield wipers. The Vistabule's just got the best view of any teardrop trailer out there. I've been hearing a lot, and a lot of people have been recommending RainX. They're saying RainX is the solution to water beading on the window. Is it possible to get rid of that with RainX? Well, I tried. Okay, I don't have any rain right now, but I'm gonna make some. Sometimes in the morning, even when the window shade is drawn, when I open it up, there'll be under some conditions there'll be a little condensation from the inside from me breathing. There's two people there and they're breathing. Yeah, if you're having a hot time, it can steam up the windows pretty good. Surprise, RainX makes a product for that too. They're anti-fog. And I use this stuff, pretty easy to do. Clean the inside of the glass, smear this stuff around, let it dry, rub it, buff it up to a finish. I think the stuff works, but not under every single condition. Well, it rained about 4 o'clock in the morning. It's 8 o'clock now, and the RainX did seem to help quite a bit on the window. There are still droplets of water on there, but they're much smaller, and there's no condensation at all on the inside. Of course, it's warm. I have the windows open. But I've tested in more conditions. So far, so good. So it's been showering on and off. And this is the window with the RainX. So the droplets are pretty small on here. They're smaller than before the RainX. So in some conditions it's good. In some conditions it's no better. So it rained a lot last night, but it probably stopped before dawn. Let's see what we got. Okay, a little bit of water. I think it's improved. There's no condensation on the inside either. So it looks like it is an improvement with the RainX. This is probably one of those things where it's going to take all summer and maybe even cooler weather, etc., to see how well this works. But in the meantime, it's working good, and I'm going to enjoy the view. This is RainX on the highway. It's a light rain. I'm doing about 60 miles an hour. No need for windshield wipers. All the other cars have their windshield wipers on.